Nobody's coming to save you. That's the harsh reality of it. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If you're going down, you have to save yourself. Yeah, I had quit smoking. But shortly after that, I started having neuropathy from the waist down. If you don't know what neuropathy is, that's when you go numb. Straight up numb. Nobody was going to help me. I was going to have to do it myself. One day I was sitting on my couch watching TV, and I stopped having the ability to feel anything. And this wasn't figuratively, this was literal. I made the decision to start walking. I got out, and I just started walking up the street. And I decided, let me go to the end of the street and turn around. Those first steps were awkward, they were weird, felt weird, but I kept doing it, and I kept moving. And I can tell you a couple years on that majority of the neuropathy is gone. I still have it in the soles of my feet, but I got majority of the feeling back in my lower body. If you are struggling, if you are having extreme pain, nobody's coming to save you. Not your girlfriend, not your best friend, not your teachers, nobody. You have to do it for you. I had to do it for me. Slowly I started gaining power back. I started gaining focus back. It's been a long, hard road, and I am not done. And what I am talking about is just the beginning of my journey. You may be at the beginning of your journey. If you are, please feel free to walk beside me. I will do what I can to help you. If you want to leave comments, I will try to motivate you. But at the end of the day, you have to do it for you. Nobody is coming to save you. And that's probably a good thing. Welcome to reality.